morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the Kleb. How are you today, sir?
Good. We're in the hotel. The race is on.
Daytona 500. Who's your driver?
Jimmy.
All right, Kleb. You know where we're going to today?
China.
We're going to eat Japanese food. We really don't have anything interesting planned, so we're just going to kind of wing it. Ride out to Long Beach, look at some water, maybe some boats, maybe a ship, maybe some bushes. We'll just ride around and have fun.
Let's go.
Who's your driver, sir?
Brad Kozowski.
Michigan guy. Where'd Kleb go? I can't find Kleb.
He's in his natural
Kleb!
habitat.
I got some head shake. I don't know if the camera picked that up, man, but that was kind of scary. And I'll tell you, you know what stopped it? This thing. Right here, that stopped it. He needs to be punished. So today's going to be kind of a freestyle day. I need days like this every now and then. The only thing I know I want to do is eat. We're going to eat one of my favorite types of food. Americanized Japanese. At a hibachi grill. You know, one of those teppanyaki things, like a Benihana. Yeah, you know the ones. The place we're going to, it's in downtown Long Beach, right there on the harbor, Rainbow Harbor. While we're down there, I'll give you guys some visuals of what it's like down there in Long Beach Harbor. He looks so stupid. I don't even know what he's doing. I don't know why it's so funny to me, but he looks ridiculous. Ah, look at this car. You don't see cars like this anymore. You think this is bad for the bike? Probably. Get out of my way, Prius. Look at all this traffic. I think I'll time-lapse this. I think I'm just gonna follow this random guy. I'm gonna troll him. This guy hates me. I can already tell. Times on a motorcycle. Slug bug pow.
Let's go sanding on our bike.
Sanding? I'm just turning around. Oh, look at the Mustangs. That one's pretty sick. Beautiful day at the beach. Oh, buried. A lot of bikes out today, if you haven't noticed. Hello, BMW rider. Sacho's Tacos. One day, guys, one day I'll get there. It's on the list of places to go.
It's taking too long to get there, man. I'm gonna have to hold myself over with this puppy bad boy.
Is that a kumquat?
No, it's an orange.
You ate the peel and everything?
You're supposed to.
You're not supposed to. What'd you get?
I got the savior. Let's go. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Professor Delinquent is going to be tying his shoes.
She's hot. What if that's Adriana for real? I'd buy insurance from her.
Bonjour, monsieur. Fried chicken, s'il vous plaît.
Oh, shit. Are we on a one-way road? I think we are. No, we're not. Thanks, buddy. And that's why motorcycles are better than cars. Klebby, what'd you think, man? Did you have a good time today?
Another weird city. I feel like I fit right in. Thought it was pretty delicious. I feel fuller than a Tyrannosaurus Rex on Christmas Eve with an empty lunchbox.
And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there, as well as find out how to get one of these exhaust pipes. Make sure you go over to Kleb's channel, see what he's got to offer over there. It's always hilarious. Make sure you support the sponsors, Metric Method, Voss Helmets, and the law offices of Henry Haddad. Catch you guys later. Cue the bikini girl.